guys, Star here. So if you're an email marketer and you're sending out emails, you're going to want to watch this training. I'm going to show you how you can check statistics for bulk email sending as well as within the workflow. Let's go ahead and dive into this training so that you can ensure that you're having the highest level of deliverability for your emails, as well as ensuring that people are taking the actions that you want them to take for your email campaigns. Let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how you can actually check on statistics for bulk actions. So what you want to do is on the left-hand side of the sub-account level, we're going to go ahead and click on contacts. Once you've selected contacts, then you're going to go ahead and schedule that bulk action. I'm going to actually send out an email to a few of my contacts here, and I'll go ahead and select email. It'll ask me for an action name, and you can select a template if you have a template that you'd like to use, who are you sending it from, and the sender's email. From there, go ahead and add your subject line, and you can send this all at once, send at a scheduled time, or you can send in drip mode. Please note that bulk actions are performed over a period of time. You can track the progress in the bulk actions page. I'm going to go ahead and confirm this and send that email out. So now that I've actually scheduled that bulk action, I'm going to go ahead and select marketing on the left-hand side of the sub-account level. Once I've selected that option, I'll go ahead and click on emails at the top. You'll see statistics, campaigns, and templates. I'm going to go ahead and select campaigns. You'll see the email campaigns, workflow campaigns, and I want to check on bulk action campaigns. Now you can see that bulk email that I just sent out is actually completed. Now to view the statistics, I'm going to go ahead and click on the three dots here, and I'll just click on view statistics. So here I have a summary of what was delivered, opened, clicked, bounced, unsubscribed, spammed, skipped, or failed. So you really want to be able to have that analysis of what's happening with your engagement. You also have details below that'll show delivered, opened, clicked, ordered, replied, hard bounce, soft bounce, complained, unsubscribed, skipped, or failed. So you have everything that you need right here within this summary specific to this bulk campaign that was scheduled. Now, if I want to take a look at an email campaign that was sent out, same thing. I'll click on campaigns, email campaigns. Then I'm going to click on the three dots, and I'm going to go ahead and click on statistics. I can click on load statistics so that I can see more statistics. In here, you can see that I had a 96 deliverability rate, 4.17 open rate, what my conversions were, 4.17, hard bounce, unsubscribed, and skipped. So again, we really want to see what's happening here. We can see our conversion summary with the revenue that was received from this specific email campaign. You'll see the conversion analysis. Then you'll be able to see the details for the emails that were actually delivered, the ones that were opened, any emails that were actually clicked, any orders that were received from that email, any replies, hard bounces, soft bounces, complained, unsubscribed, skipped, or failed. Additionally, we can take a look at workflow campaigns. So if you have any campaigns that are happening on the workflow level, you can actually access that here as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at a workflow that's happening on the workflow level. And you're going to want to go to automations on the left-hand side. You're going to want to go ahead and select on the workflow that you'd like to actually take a look at the statistics on. Then we're going to go ahead and select that email, and then we'll click on statistics. Here you can actually see the total of emails that were sent. You can see emails delivered, opened, clicked, replied, bounced, unsubscribed, accepted, rejected, and completed. Additionally, you can also view bulk actions under contacts. We're just going to go ahead and select the bulk actions. Once you've selected bulk actions, you can see that bulk email that was sent out. I'm just going to go ahead and click on show stats. And here I'll have a comprehensive list of what happened: accepted, delivered, opened, clicked, replied, unsubscribed, as well as complained, bounced, failed, or skipped. Then at the bottom, I can see everything that happened, all actions accepted, delivered, opened, clicked, replied, unsubscribed, bounced, failed, or skipped. So go ahead and start tracking your email statistics for better campaign deliverability.